The Naga Journalists Union Manipur and JUM has constituted a 3-member fact-finding team to ascertain the actual incident that took place at the Lai Senapati district, Manipur on the 30th August 2025, whereby a reporter from Hornbill TV, Deep Saikia, was allegedly injured by air gun pellets. Gamla Saleh Kapai, secretary of the NJUM, on Sunday issued a statement that the Naga Journalists Union Manipur condemned the incident where a journalist from Hornbill TV, Deep Saikia, was reportedly injured by airgun pellets at the Lai village, Senapati district, Manipur, while on an assignment on August 30, 2025. NJUM extended sincere concern for his recovery. Senior journalist and Jagoi appraised the situation and said that a 3-member fact-finding committee has been set up and that the report will be submitted on the 3rd of September 2025. The fact-finding team comprises of the following persons: Samuel Pao from the People's Chronicles ISTV, Solomon Shah from the Hornbill, and Ki Bombay Felix from the Times of Senapati. NJUM had requested concerned authority and stakeholders to give all possible cooperation to the team to bring out the truth.
Hello sir, your name please?
My name is Ngatingkui Jakoi. In fact, I'm a member of this Naga Journalists Union Manipur. Look, it's not a bullet injury, it should be pellet injury. Okay. Because bullet and pellet is different. Okay, yeah, we are concerned about the issue. And since it involves a journalist from anywhere, we need to, condemn or, denounce such acts. And yeah, of course, this Naga Journalists Union from Manipur, we are, concerned about the issue. So we have constituted a fact-finding committee. They went yesterday and they might have come back last night. So we are waiting for what they have to say, because it involves, some say that he was shooting at the birds. But how can a person shooting at the birds hit a man who was standing just, and the first pellet, it hit him on the leg, on the thigh, and the second one, in just a few seconds, it was hit on the armpit, near the chest, near the armpit. So, we don't know exactly what had happened, but I was told that, I learned that the person who shot the accused, so to say, he has been arrested and he has already, apologized about the incident. But we never know. We have constituted a fact-finding team. So the real picture of the incident might be they should be coming out with the facts. That's it. Journalists are vulnerable in many areas, and even in Manipur or whether in Nagaland, the fourth pillar is not saved now. So we are facing a lot of hardships, but we have to be careful also, but it's our duty. We have to report the facts. That's it. It's very unfortunate, and I wish him all, a speedy recovery. It's a very, very unfortunate incident. He has been threatened even in Wokha, and now second time he has been, what should I say, but he had been shot at again. Of course, it was an air gun. Reportedly, it was an air gun, but the air gun seems to be a very, very good air gun.